deforestation dangle that has now been put up. There is a board now which suggests that the land, which is the Kancha Gachibowli land, that actually belongs to the state government of Telangana. Now, students of the Hyderabad University are vehemently objecting when it comes to the placement of the board, the very same land that the government says is a government land, and hereby when it comes to the activities that are now carried out is solely when it comes to the government of Telangana, which is responsible for it. Clearly demarcating when it comes to the land is now concerned, Imran, that this land actually belongs to the state government, and if the government wants to carry out any development projects or infrastructure, it is deemed as government land, not as the land of Hyderabad University. So the students there who have been protesting as far as the deforestation drive is concerned, they are objecting when it comes to the placement of the said board too.
Well, as the issue is contentious and it is landed up in the matter in the court, and the court has asked to maintain a status quo over this particular issue. They said no development work should happen, and that means that the whole idea of the land, whether it belongs to university or the government, is still contentious. However, the government has went ahead and started claiming that the land belongs to them, and the board has come up, and visuals of it you can see in the screen, that the board belongs to the land belongs to Telangana government. The students say that this is the state government bulldozing their Supreme Court judgment and laws and claiming the authority, whereas the government is saying that they have not done any construction work. They are just claiming that the land belongs to them, which belongs to the government, is what the government is claiming. However, students and activists say that this is bulldozing of their rights, and in fact the government is going ahead and contentiously putting up the board. In fact, bulldozing the Supreme Court judgment is what this student committee claims. But however, the government thinks otherwise. So the matter, however, is coming up in court in 16th and 24th. What we get into the student body will also raise this issue in the upcoming court hearing.
Right. All right, Imran, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in. So as far as the land and its claim is now concerned, a board that has now been put up saying that the land belongs to the state government of Telangana, and it is right next to, when it comes to the campus of the Hyderabad Central University, where the students were objecting to the deforestation drive that was being carried out, and it was brought to a halt when it comes to the orders that came in both from the Telangana High Court and of course the rap that directly came in from the Supreme Court of India. Imran, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in. You're watching Times Now. Back after a short break.